How's it going, guys? Thank you so much for following the series of C programming using only the Linux terminal. So the tutorials have taken very long, but I will catch up. I wanted to follow one simple program from the source code all the way to the CPU, just for fun. So after that, I will just go back to the normal C programming tutorials like variables, pointers, and all those kinds of things. But but what's the use of learning C if I don't apply it in the real world? And I have several problems that I can apply them. I have no idea if it will work or not, but I will try it anyway. Therefore, I'm introducing to you this separate series. I'll be trying to solve a real problem that I have. So let me show you the problem. So here I have two computers. This one I have installed Windows. This one I have installed Linux Mint. So this Windows computer, both of these computers are very old. This Windows computer has a problem. The speakers are no longer working and the microphone is no longer working. Then we have this Linux machine. This Linux machine is way older. It's 10 years. It was manufactured in 2015. So this machine has an issue. I cannot run heavy programs in this laptop. It will crash. So I usually I do very simple tasks with this Linux. Then I edit using this Windows computer. But it's so convenient. Sometimes I usually record with this one, some very simple videos, Linux videos. But I know if you have been following, you usually hear the audio as some static noises. It has some white noises. So that's also an issue that I have in this laptop. So my desire is I want to solve this problem with all the resources that I have. So the resources that I have already are, of course, these two laptops, then the phone that I'm using to record. I have an Ethernet cable. There's a router there, there's a fiber router there, but I may not use it that much. Let me show it to you. So I also have a fiber router, but I may not use that one. I also have a smart TV, but I may not use that one also. I just want to use the phone, these two laptops, and then Ethernet. I want to solve the audio problem. Since this laptop can handle very heavy tasks, I want to use this Linux laptop as the audio server. This will be my audio server, or I can use my phone. I'm not sure yet. I will experiment until it works. You can even see this laptop. The screen is on live support, but it's working fine. All these are as a result of my poor financial decisions. But when money starts flowing again, I will upgrade new devices. But maybe this is a good chance to solve a real world problem using C. So I have a lot to learn, and I welcome you to follow along with me. These tutorials will not flow day in, day out. I'll be going at a very slow pace. I'll still be uploading other videos, but I will put them into a playlist in the end. So this is the first series. This is like introduction to the serious video. Then we move all the way up to the point where where I can work on one machine. I can work on this machine. I use this as the audio server. Then I use my phone as camera or whatever it is. Even if I use my phone as the audio server, I don't know. I still have a lot to learn, and I welcome you to follow along. So I will still be posting other videos, even the C programming tutorials, and then all those other normal videos. But I can't do all of them at once. I don't want to pretend I'm a genius. Sometimes I'll do other videos which are not related to C programming and this series, but I hope you will enjoy them. So thank you so much for watching. You can already give me recommendations on how I can speed up this process. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.